For this recipe, you're gonna need cream cheese, blue cheese, chicken breast, shredded cheese, and hot sauce. Start by preheating your oven to 400 degrees and then place your chicken into your baking dish. Once your oven reaches 400, put your baking dish with your chicken in it and cook it for 40 minutes. Let your chicken cool for about 10 minutes once you take it out of the oven, and then you can start shredding it. So your chicken should look a little like this once you're done shredding it. And now you have to go and preheat the oven again to 350. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna add the cream cheese, the blue cheese, and the wing sauce into a bowl, and we're gonna mix that all together. So now that I have everything in the bowl, I'm just gonna mix it all together, and then I'm gonna add the shredded chicken in with it. So I put my dip into a 9 by 13 inch baking dish, and now I'm going to sprinkle my cheese on top of it. Now I'm gonna bake this in the oven for about 15 minutes or until the cheese starts bubbling. So that's all you need to do to make the buffalo chicken dip. Once it's done, you just take it out of the oven and then you can serve it.